Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning into my channel, Carmen Eats. Well, today, guys, I'm doing beef bone marrow. Something I eat all the time. I like it. I enjoy it. I don't know if you guys ever had some. I cooked it in my slow cooker for a few hours. Lots of onions, fresh garlic. I hope everybody's having a great day. I know I am. And it even has meat still around the bone. I'm gonna eat that too. I seasoned it with a whole bunch of Goya seasoning, guys. I'm gonna see if it just come right out. Stick my finger in there. Look at that. Oh yeah. I see you. Can you see me? So guys, look at that. If anybody, you don't know what beef marrow is, that's it right there. Oh, good. Oh, it's dripping. It should like come right out. But it's nice and tender. Look at that. Marrow is just like a gelatin type of thing. Can you see that, guys? Onion, piece of garlic. That's some good stuff, guys. This one got a lot of stuff around it. I like that stuff. Let me take some of this out and mix it with it. Again, this is beef bone marrow. That's so good. Let me know in the comments if y'all ever had bone marrow before. I gotta put some like bone. That meat is good. I'm so glad my mother introduced me to food. Really made me not scared to try stuff. I'm telling you guys, don't knock it till you try it. Some of this stuff, you're always so scared to try, but it'll probably be like the best thing you ever ate in your life. For real. Mm. It's a piece of some meat that fell off a bone. Garlic on the plate. Mmm. You get up there because I'm eating you. Onions and fresh garlic. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Yes, I'm smacking. I know somebody's saying something about it. I know somebody's saying something about it. Okay. Mmm. I'm enjoying the onions and the garlic more. Mm. Guys, you have to try bone marrow. If you never have, it will change your life. A lot of people like to cook it with like stew and soups and stuff. It's real good. It gives so much flavor. Because you know what they say, like all the meat, everything that you eat, the flavor's in the bone. That's what all the flavor is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video of me eating beef bone marrow. It was pretty good, guys. Got to tell you guys, subscribe, like, excuse me, comment, and share. Hit the notification button with the bell so you get notified every time I load up a video. It's Friday. I do got a job, so I'm not getting high. Guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you all. Love, peace, and happiness. Mwah.